Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can add widgets to your iPhone home screen. So widgets are just announced like in the latest iOS 14 update, so right now we can use widgets for almost 4 years from when I'm making this video, but still a lot of people don't know how you can actually use widgets. So in order to add a widget to your iPhone home screen, what you simply need to do is hold down your screen anywhere you want, and once you have done that, you want to go to the top left corner of your screen, click on that plus icon, and then right here you can literally search for any widget you want, and a lot of apps also have native widgets which you can find right here. Now the widgets basically from Apple will be right here. So for example, the most used widget basically is Smart Stack. That's the most famous one, and it's also made by Apple, so you can just click on that and then click on add widget. You can choose the variation of the widget, click on add widget. Once you've done that, click on done, and then in order to edit it, you can hold it down, click on edit stack, and then right here what you can simply do is just remove or add an app by just clicking right here, and then you can literally remove or add any app you want. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to add widgets over to your iPhone home screen. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.